So that's it for deploying Django applications. I guess this was a long module with lots of content, but deployment is a topic which is often skipped by other courses, and I think it is important. And it is important to not just show you the quickest possible way, but also show you different alternatives and considerations that should go into the deployment process, especially when it comes to things like static files and file uploads and the database. So we had a look at a lot of options there, and I did explain when to use which approach and how you could implement it. Now, I did do all of that at the example of Elastic Beanstalk, as mentioned before. Now, there are a lot of other hosting providers out there, and you can definitely check them out as well. As I mentioned already, you can often Google for your hosting provider, Django, and you will find examples and documentation and steps that get you to deploy your application there. I picked AWS since it has all the services we need in one place, and I hopefully could show you how you can deploy your application with AWS and with those different services. And therefore, now nothing is stopping you from building your Django project and deploying it to your favorite host.